A wave of Android customization is exploding right now. And the craziest part is that most people still don't realize they can create those viral fluffy 3D icons on their phone without paying anyone. Downloading random packs or begging creators for PNGs, the trick is unbelievably simple, insanely fun, and once you learn it, you'll customize icons faster than people can ask for them in the comments. Welcome back, viewers. James here. Like, share, and subscribe for more. So here's the fun part. Instead of hunting for pre-made fluffy icons, you're going to build your own from scratch with just your screenshots and a bit of AI magic. The process starts by picking the app you want to transform. Let's say you want a fluffy Facebook icon. Just grab a clean screenshot of the default app logo, crop it neatly, save it, and you're already halfway there. The next step is the real game changer because this is where chat steps in. Open chat, hit the plus button, and upload to images the normal icon first and one fluffy reference icon second. These references help keep the final result consistent so every icon looks like it came from the same pack. Copy and paste your long prompt. Save it in your notes so you never have to rewrite it, and let the model create magic. It usually takes a minute, but the quality will surprise you every single time. Once one icon is done, keep going. A TikTok logo, YouTube, CapCut, whatever you want, just repeat the same upload steps. Every fluffy effect comes out clean with feathered edges and smooth shadows. And honestly, they look even better once you size them correctly, which is the next part people always forget. After generating your icons, open the photo map. It's incredibly useful because it instantly converts your icons into proper PNGs with clean transparency. Select your fluffy icon, tap Transparent, and then head straight into Custom Dimensions. Set both width and height to 1024, then zoom out the icon perfectly so it fits the box edge to edge without touching the borders. This makes your icons look professionally sized on your home screen. Export it and repeat the same process with every icon you want. Once everything is saved, apply your new icons using your launcher or Samsung's theme park module if you're on One UI. The moment they load onto your home screen, you'll see the full transformation, clean outlines, smooth textures, and that soft, fluffy look that grabs attention instantly. If you're into editing, you can enhance them further with outlines, color tweaks, or filters to make each icon pop even more. The best part? You're not stuck waiting for someone else to upload icons or update theme packs. You can create unlimited fluffy icons in any color, shape, or style you want whenever you want. And if something doesn't look right, just tweak the prompt, regenerate, or resize again until it's perfect. That's the freedom of doing it yourself. If you want the exact prompt I used, it'll be in the description. And if you need help applying icons on Samsung phones, check out my previous video. It's linked below. Drop your questions in the comments. I always reply. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.